So second property is solids generally cannot be compressed. That means their volume cannot be reduced by applying pressure on them, and intermolecular space in solid is negligible. So the molecules cannot be pushed closer. However, the porous solid leave a loaf of bread has air space which makes it easily compressible. So let us see the examples by doing activity. So here I have taken some of the items, like here this is the glass marble. So now this I am going to press and show. So how much pressure I am applying, it is not at all compressible. Next example, this is the cell, you can see, and this is also a solid piece, and this also I am trying to press, but this is also not compressible. Next example, this is the bobbin of a sewing machine. So this is also a solid, and if I am trying to press it, it is not compressible. Next example, a stone piece I have taken. This also I am trying to press, this is also not compressible. Then next example, this is the battery I have taken. So I am pressing it, it is not at all compressible. Next, third point, solids does not flow. This is because the molecules are so tightly held that they cannot slip over one another. So solids do not flow. So let's perform activity for liquids does not flow. So this I have three solids, three different kinds of solids I have taken, and I am just tilting it. You can just see they are not flowing. They are at one place stick. Next point is a solid expand or contract very little on being heated or cooled. So on being heated, the molecules become more energetic and vibrate to a greater extent. However, they do not leave their position entirely, and so the expansion is small. An expansion of a solid can be proved by ball ring experiment. This experiment also I'll be showing you through another activity that will be sent to you, and the metal ball is being such that it just passes through the ring, but when heated it does not. So you can see here a ball ring is there, a ball is there, and a ring. So the ring is made of iron and the ball is of also iron. So this iron ball can pass through easily from the ring, and when iron ball is heated, then what you will see that the iron ball could not pass over this ring because the iron ball has expanded